Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's discussion is on how to use teamwork.com for planning and executing fundraisers. So let's dive right in. The first step is setting up your Teamwork account. This platform is perfect for coordinating fundraising activities, organizing your team, and keeping track of your progress. Creating an account is super simple. Just go to teamwork.com, click on Sign Up, and fill out the required fields with your details. Why is this step important? Well, setting up an account is the gateway to all the features that Teamwork offers. Now that we've done that, the next step is creating your first project. Click on the Projects tab, then Add Project. Name it something relevant like Annual Charity Fundraiser. This helps us because it allows us to centralize all tasks, discussions, and files related to the fundraiser in one accessible location. Next up, we add team members to the project. On the project page, click Add People. Then enter their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved in the fundraiser has access to the project and can contribute their ideas and tasks. Now, let's break down the fundraiser into tasks. Click on Add Task List and start creating tasks like venue booking, catering, marketing, etc. Assign these tasks to your team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This step is crucial as it helps us manage the work efficiently and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes when we do this. Teamwork.com sends notifications to team members about their tasks and deadlines. It also provides a visual overview of the project's progress, so everyone can see what's been done and what's left to do. The last step is using Teamwork's board view for real-time tracking. This feature lets you move tasks across different stages, like to do, in progress, and completed, providing a clear picture of the fundraiser's progress. This matters because it promotes transparency and keeps everyone on the same page. In conclusion, Teamwork.com is a powerful tool for planning and executing fundraisers. All you need to do is set up your account, create your project, add team members, break down the fundraiser into tasks, and use the board view for tracking. And with that, we've covered the basics of using Teamwork.com for your fundraising activities. Thanks for joining us.